Are you a coffee lover looking to elevate your brewing experience? This Lalord pour-over coffee maker could be your new best friend. Designed for enthusiasts who crave a perfect cup of coffee without sacrificing elegance, this pour-over set promises a delightful blend of style and functionality. Whether you're a seasoned coffee connoisseur or just starting your journey, this coffee maker has something to offer. Let's dive into why the Lalord pour-over coffee maker should be on your radar. At first glance, the Lalord pour-over coffee maker captivates with its chic, minimalistic design. The carafe is made from borosilicate glass, known for its superior resistance to temperature changes. This makes it perfect for brewing coffee at just the right temperature, between 185 to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your coffee is always fresh and flavorful. Paired with a walnut handle, the dripper not only adds a touch of luxury, but also ensures comfort while pouring. Walnut is not just a stylish choice, it's durable, smooth to the touch, and makes handling the dripper a joy, especially when brewing for multiple cups. The carafe is designed to hold 20 600 milliliters, which is enough for 1 to 3 cups, ideal for small gatherings or your solo coffee moments. But what sets the Lalord pour-over coffee maker apart from competitors? It's the attention to detail. Every element of this coffee maker has been meticulously designed for those who take their coffee seriously. The natural, unbleached filter papers are made from pure wood pulp, ensuring no unwanted chemicals taint your brew. With 100 V02 paper filters included in the set, you're equipped to brew coffee right out of the box. The key features that make Lalord pour-over coffee makers stand out. 1. Safe and high-quality materials. The borosilicate glass carafe and dripper are BPA-free and odorless, ensuring your coffee stays pure. The natural wood pulp filter papers add to the experience by being eco-friendly and free from harmful chemicals. Cleaning is effortless, as both the carafe and dripper don't retain residue or flavors from previous brews, allowing you to enjoy the freshness of each cup. 2. Perfect brewing capacity. With a 20 capacity, this pour-over coffee maker can easily brew enough coffee for 1 to 3 people. Whether you're brewing for yourself or a small group, this size strikes the perfect balance between personal use and small gatherings. The included glass lid allows you to store your coffee in the refrigerator without losing flavor, an added convenience for those who enjoy iced coffee. 3. Comprehensive set for pour-over lovers. The Lalord pour-over coffee maker isn't just a carafe and dripper. The inclusion of 100 pieces of conical VO2 filter papers means you're ready to start brewing immediately. These filter papers, crafted from unbleached wood pulp, ensure a clean, natural flavor. Once you run out, they're easy to replace, making this set both practical and user-friendly. 4. Brewing artistry. Coffee lovers will appreciate the meticulousness required for brewing with the Lalord pour-over coffee maker. The set is designed to handle medium ground coffee best, and with the right water temperature and ratio, it produces coffee that's not only flavorful, but beautifully aromatic. Whether you're perfecting your brewing technique or experimenting with new flavors, this pour-over system brings out the best in every roast. If you're someone who values quality over quantity when it comes to your coffee, the Lalord pour-over coffee maker is definitely worth considering. Its stylish design, combined with premium materials, makes it not only a tool for brewing coffee but also a statement piece in any kitchen. For those new to pour-over coffee, the Lalord set is an excellent introduction. The simple design and ease of use allow even beginners to brew a delicious cup with minimal effort. On the other hand, seasoned coffee enthusiasts will appreciate the precision this set offers, allowing them to tweak their brewing process to achieve the perfect cup. One of the concerns with any pour-over system is the cleaning and maintenance. Fortunately, the Lalord pour-over coffee maker makes this a breeze. The borosilicate glass is easy to clean and resistant to both thermal shock and scratches. The dripper and carafe can be washed by hand or in the dishwasher, ensuring your coffee maker stays spotless with minimal effort. Make sure to clean the reusable filter and dripper after each use to maintain the coffee maker's performance. With the right care, this set is built to last for years, making it a solid investment for your kitchen. The final verdict: should you buy the Lalord pour-over coffee maker? In summary, the Lalord Pour-Over Coffee Maker offers a premium coffee experience with an affordable price tag. It's built for those who enjoy savoring every step of the coffee-making process, from grinding the beans to the final pour. Whether you're hosting friends or enjoying a quiet morning, this pour-over set allows you to brew barista-quality coffee in the comfort of your home. The chic design, safe materials, and included filter papers make this set a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade their coffee routine. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and most importantly, delivers outstanding coffee every time. So, if you're ready to take your coffee game to the next level, the Lalord Pour-Over Coffee Maker is a must-have. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.